Well, the gCADPlus user is in the process of developing this as a new plant symbol. And she's found that since she's used lots of points in the drawing, these are a light grey in colour, she's changed her mind and wants to remove all of those points and just rely on the polylines to create the symbol. But there are hundreds of points in the drawing. How best to remove them? We don't have a tools and selection, a select by current layer and polygon. We don't have a select by entity type. But there is a way that you can do that. If I grab all the entities that are in the symbol and move across to the properties box, you can see there are 572 entities in what's called the selection set. So we've created a selection set. It's got points and polylines in it. 438 polylines are there. So we can isolate those, and you may well have noticed the colour of the points just changed to a slight greenish colour. So the points have now been selected. What we can do is move those points to another layer, and I've created another layer just called layer 1, and we can move those all to that layer, and that layer is turned off, and so the points effectively disappear. If we want to remove them from the little symbol, it's just a matter of going to Tools and isolate a layer, and we can isolate everything on layer 1. There are all the points, 430 of them, and we can just erase those, come back to layers, turn all the used layers on, which is in this case just the one layer, and there we have the developing symbol, and we can work further on it and then create a block of it, or move it, or save it as a separate drawing. Either way, you can make a block of it within this drawing, or just save it and it automatically becomes a block.